Master exam prep with spaced repetition. Cramming before exams often leads to stress and forgetfulness. What if there was a smarter way to study and actually retain what you learn? Spaced repetition is the game-changing technique to boost memory and recall, perfect for students like you aiming for academic success. It's simple. Instead of reviewing everything at once, revisit each topic at increasing intervals over time. This method helps your brain move information from short-term to long-term memory, making it stick. Bonus: no need to spend hours rereading. Study smarter, not harder. Spaced repetition is backed by science. The forgetting curve shows we quickly forget what we don't review. By revisiting info right before we forget it, we train our brain to prioritize those bits. Translation: better exam performance with less stress. Use apps like Anki, Quizlet, or set a simple schedule where you review daily, then every few days, and so on. Break material into chunks, test yourself regularly, and let time work in your favor. It's easy, effective, and efficient. Level up your study game with spaced repetition. Start small. Plan reviews for this week's topics and stick to it. Want more tips? Hit follow and turn on notifications to ace your exams with effective, proven study hacks. Your future self will thank you.